Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to link your XM account with MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. Then go to File here at the top left. Click on it. Click on Open an account. And here at the search bar, type XM Global. XM Global, like this. Now click on Find Your Company. And we have here XM Global Limited, as you can see. So click on it one time and click on Next. Now go to connect with an existing trade account. So click on it like this. And now you have to go to your XM account. This is the new XM interface. So click on Demo here or Real if you have a Real account and go to Manage. Now click on Account Information and you will see your information here. And let's go back to MetaTrader 5. And as you can see, we have here the login, password, and we have here the server. So for the login, you have to choose this one, MTID, as you can see. So click on it, copy here, and let's go back to MetaTrader 5 and let's copy it. So for password, you have to remember your password, okay? When you open that demo account, you added a password. You have to type that. If you don't remember it, just open a new demo account and remember that password, okay? And let's paste it here. So for the server, it's XM Global MT57, okay? So let's go back. We have here MT511. It's this one. As you can see, XM Global MT57. Now click on finish.
Incoming mail.
And now, as you can see, if we go to trade here, as you can see, we have here balance $10,000. If we go to XM, also the balance is $10,000. Also, you can go to accounts here, click on it, and you will see XM Global MT57. If you want to switch to your MetaTrader 5 demo account, just click on it like this, and click on it here, and click on OK. Now we have here the balance of our MT5 demo account. As you can see, $99,000. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.